Hey, this is Blair. You know, I've been doing these videos now for, about 5 years, and I wanted to explain a little bit about the content that I put up. Sometimes I'll come across a situation that is really unique, and I'd like to share it with other arborists and other lovers of trees. And this following one is, I believe, is really interesting. It's not a big tree, it's not an exciting job, but it's a very unusual example of something you don't run across very often. So check it out. All right, here's a cool one. I don't get to see things like this too often. Would you look at this vine? I love this. It's not good for the tree, but wow, it's like a boa constrictor.
Yeah.
This is a magnolia tree that barely has anything left on it, but the wisteria that's taken over, in essence, it's become a wisteria tree. So the question is, what do they do about it? And I'm at a loss. If it was mine, I would probably just clean out some of the dead, cut it back away from the roof, get that rat's nest or squirrel's nest out of there, and appreciate it for what it is. But that's really unique.